Okay, John, this is the boat 2021. It did sit here for a little while uncovered, so it is kind of dirty from the guys wrapping it. I'm sure it was wrapped when it was raining or thereabouts or shortly thereafter, but the guy did have it professionally detailed and ceramic coated. He had a ceramic coated actually twice, and once right before he just brought it here. Cushions I don't have snapped down, but they are just in place. This boat has, you'll see these little things on either side here. That's for the forward shade. Obviously it's a 271, so it has an anchor windlass with your controls forward. Seat here with a cooler underneath of it. Fish boxes forward. It has a forward table option as well. He also had a custom cover made for this area here, so this whole seat and backrest gets covered. Let me see if I can zoom out on that. Yeah, there we go. So you can see the snaps going around here, windshield wiper. Joystick piloting. Rear seat, there's the custom cover for this area here. Then back here you have another live well and a little prep sink. The storage drawers, freshwater wash down, rear drop down seat, fish box on the stern. There's another live well under here, white engines. And I'm going to take a picture of another boat that actually is this color. It's Ocean Mist. So it's that light blue. Does have a full head. Oh, you know what? I know what I can show you. Up here, I don't know if it's going to translate, but this is the light blue that the side hull is. So the underside is matched. This one has side curtains too, so if you're striper fishing, there's a side curtain set that goes up in there. So it was loaded. It had almost all the options on it.